break, will you? Get me out of this thing. Hurry, chum. Step on it. 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 Step on it. That's right, little pal. Up on that fender. Easy does it. Now unloosen that latch and I'm free.